Yamaha Bolt Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling is a realm of exploration, freedom, and the thrill of the open road. For beginners stepping into this exhilarating world, the choice of their first motorcycle is a decision that shapes their journey. The Yamaha Bolt, with its fusion of style, accessible power, and cruiser comfort, stands as a canvas for novices eager to create their cruiser story. With its versatile performance, distinctive aesthetics, and rider-focused features, the Bolt emerges as a perfect choice for those seeking to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. Dynamic performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Yamaha Bolt resides a capable 942cc V-twin engine that strikes a balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a dynamic performance, allowing beginners to experience the joy of cruising with power that's both exhilarating and controllable. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Yamaha Bolt is designed with rider comfort in mind, offering a relaxed and engaged riding position characteristic of cruiser motorcycles. The low seat height, mid-mounted foot controls, and pullback handlebars create an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during extended rides. Timeless design and distinctive aesthetics. The Bolt encapsulates a blend of classic and modern design elements, resulting in a bike with timeless appeal. Its clean lines, minimalist form, and custom-inspired aesthetics reflect a sense of style that cruiser enthusiasts cherish. Novice riders not only experience the joy of cruising but also embrace the individuality that defines cruiser motorcycles. Responsive handling and effortless maneuverability. The Yamaha Bolt offers responsive handling and agile maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and nimble characteristics contribute to a confident and controlled riding experience, be it on city streets or winding roads. Safety features and riding assurance. Safety remains paramount, especially for those new to riding. The Yamaha Bolt models often come equipped with advanced safety features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature provides novices with an added layer of confidence as they navigate various road conditions. Urban and custom cruiser experience. The Bolt's versatility allows it to excel in urban settings and beyond. Novice riders can transition seamlessly between city commutes and personalized rides, all while immersing themselves in the cruiser experience and the potential for customization that the Bolt offers. Community and rider bonding. Enthusiasts of the Yamaha brand form a close-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community provides novices with access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Bolt's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Yamaha Bolt encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully embracing the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Yamaha Bolt isn't just an initial choice, it's a lifelong companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its performance, style, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Bolt as they evolve from novices to seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Yamaha Bolt stands as a testament to Yamaha's dedication to delivering a versatile and stylish cruiser experience for beginners. With its dynamic performance, distinctive design, and commitment to rider comfort and safety, the Bolt provides an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing a Yamaha Bolt motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for the open road and the canvas of possibilities that cruising offers.